Guys, what we got here is a Fanimation Beckwith ceiling fan. It's one of those newer designs of ceiling fans that is kind of like a portable fan hung from the ceiling, and with the light factored into all of that. When I picked this up, it didn't work. It didn't have any of the mounting stuff. You can see I just have a mounting rigged. It turns out the neutral wire was severed inside where the down rod would have attached, and I think one of the light bulbs was broken, and other than that it worked fine. So my wife loves it and wants me to put it in our hallway in place of the Homestead monoray. If I can order the proper mounting parts from Fanimation to close mount it, I might just do that. So let's check it out. I got it rigged to a regular dimmer switch there. Well, it's a 1000-watt dimmer, an older one with the heatsink, so not quite regular, but you get the idea. So let's check out the lights first. That beeping was from the dryer, it wasn't from the lights. It was just coincidental that it went off at the same time as the I think it's four, I guess it'd be 440-watt halogen bulbs. Not entirely certain. I know there's 4 bulbs in there and they're halogen. And I got it wired to a regular 4-speed slider control. Same values as always, 5, 10, 15. Put it on low. Feeling a little bit of air from it, not much. The blade is too small to benefit from what I would call an aesthetic low speed. It's pretty quiet. Okay, let's go up to medium low. Okay, now we're starting to move some air. Go to medium high. Let's go to high. Doesn't move as much air as a conventional ceiling fan, but it's still quite a bit. Something like this would be great to have one over the island in your kitchen, or have 2 of them over a countertop as pendants. So then let us also engage the light. See how we can get a good spin down. Oh, looks like I bumped something that cut the power to it. Probably the amp meter. That'll give us a good enough spin down. It is reversible. Reverse switch is up here. Right there. I'm going to turn it back to low. I'm guessing I bumped this here. Yep. So now we're in low reverse. So for the sake of comparing the amperage, I will cut the light. I don't remember what the values were, so somebody else will have to remind me. I can feel any air. I might feel some air up here. A little bit. Medium low. Medium high. What's interesting is I'm still feeling air below it. I wonder why that is. High. This time we'll spin down with the light on since we had it off before. It's a really cool product. A really cool company. Hopefully you've seen everything you need to see. If I install it in my house as my wife would like, I'll do another video. Would be nice to have a light there in that hallway. But okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, this is the Fanimation Beckwith ceiling fan. I did a video before testing it out and running it with the amp meter. And my wife had been saying that she really wanted it. Well, I can't remember what she said. I know she said she really liked it, and I can't remember if it was my suggestion to put it in the hallway here or if she asked for it. I don't remember. But I knew that that was something that she wanted, and since we have the polished aluminum gold line in the living room temporarily, I thought it would be good to put this in here temporarily because the metals go together. So now there's at least two silver metal things in the house besides just sinks. And originally I was going to wait because I didn't have the mounting hardware to it, and I definitely didn't have the close mounting hardware to it, and so I was going to order that from Fanimation. And I thought about it, and if it's only going to be a temporary installation, if I ever install it permanently, I'd want it to not be close mount. I'd want it to be on a rod, like over a kitchen island or a counter or something like that. And so I really didn't want to spend all the money to order the close mount stuff just for a temporary installation. So I decided to make one, and dug through my box of spare canopies, and would you believe, in all of the spare canopies that I have, which had to have been at least 50 ball socket canopies, I only had one that the whole pattern fit the whole pattern at the top of the Fanimation fan. And it was white, so that's okay. White ceiling, white canopy. And so that, and then I found a mounting bracket that fit with that, which ironically is not the one that went with the canopy, but made that happen. And since there's not a third wire here, there's not room in there for a remote receiver, just put a pull chain there for the light on off, and have it on this 3-speed control here. I'll probably change that because I was hoping that with the 3-speed control I could get varying light levels and varying fan speeds, but I can't. The light bulbs provide too much of an inductive load combined with the motor, so nothing operates except on high when they're together. So I'm going to experiment with some different controls as I have time, perhaps different capacitor values, perhaps a transformer based control, maybe even solid state. We'll just see. In the meantime, I can have 3 fan speeds and no light, or just high with light. So let's demonstrate that. Control 1, which is low, will most likely stay on low to circulate just like the Homestead did. Probably won't do quite as good of a job, but simply because it's a smaller fan and it's designed to be more decorative than effective, but I'm sure it'll still do something. Okay, that's low. Medium. It's a good breeze there, a little bit of wind noise. And high. High is a lot of breeze and a lot of wind noise. So when it's on high, you pull the pull chain, you get light. Unfortunately, if I then move it from 3 to 2 with the light on, we get nothing. And I was hoping I'd get slow fan and dim light, as I have in some cases when having a fan and a light on a capacitor-based control, but I think it's a matter of a combination of the number of bulbs and the type of motor. And then if I put it on speed 1, more of the same. Of course, if I have it on speed 1 and I pull the chain, then the fan starts. So I'm already worried about my wife figuring this out, because she will want light, and I may not be here, and it's the wrong combination. I guess if you just pull things and turn things, eventually you'll get light, so it won't be that bad. But yeah, for anyone who is wondering, people have seen this and said that it doesn't really look like it's that big, but you may remember that a 29-inch Homestead was taking up just about the same amount of space that this was, so it's not a small fan by any means. And like I said, I don't think it's well suited to here. I think it'll be better suited to like a kitchen or something like that, where there's an island in the center or some granite countertops for it to be over or something like that. And hopefully we'll have that soon. So I don't know if there's anything I haven't shown. I'll probably try some different controls and do some multiple videos when I do that. This was just the control that I had on hand. I've got a box of controls out at the shop, but I did not feel like driving all the way to Oregon. And like I said, I'll probably try something transformer based, or there's any number of different things that I can try. So okay, thanks for watching. Hey guys, said I was going to try a few different controls for this here. First of all, my apologies for the background noise. We got a lot of projects going here all at the same time. I think the dryer is going, I think the sink is going, so hopefully it doesn't interfere with your ability to hear me. So it's the Fanimation Beckwith again in my haul, and since I don't have the original control system that it would have been sold with, I don't have a third wire to do the wall control the way I'd want to, which would just basically be a standard 4-speed control and a dimmer switch. I've been trying different things, and I tried just a standard 3-speed capacitor control, which wasn't really, if it was just a fan would have been fine, but sucked with the light. And now I've got just a standard solid state control, just a KB electronics control. Yeah, I just got it there looking like a dimmer switch. Got a dimmer switch knob on it and dimmer switch plate, but it's actually a solid state fan control. So, fan and light on high, and then that's the lowest setting. The low speed trim is on the lowest setting as well. And there's a little bit of 60 cycle hum from the motor. It's not extremely loud, but I'm wondering if it's going to carry into my bedroom. And this fan does run in the night, so if that is the case, that wouldn't be good. So we're going to try it for tonight and see how it goes. Turning it up gradually without the light. Okay, thanks for watching. Guys, in trying different switch options for the Beckwith, I got this transformer-based control off eBay on the recommendation of another collector. I normally am not big on transformer controls, but in this case I wanted to give it a try. I probably have some transformer-based controls in my stash, but I couldn't find them, so this was cheap, so I got it. And we're going to put it in and see if it performs better. So, see that in the next video. Hey guys, this is the King of Fans transformer-based 4-speed control I was showing you earlier. There's no cover on it because I'd forgotten that I was going to do this project tonight, and so I didn't bring all my tools. And you'll see I need a eyeglass screwdriver, I'm not sure if you can see that, to get the knob off. So I didn't think to bring that with me. So I'll take the knob off and put the cover plate on and whatnot tomorrow when I get the rest of my tools. I have to see if I can use a more generic knob rather than that black knob. I would like to. So let's check it out. Let's go all the way to low. Interesting that there is a change in the fan based on whether or not the light is on. That wasn't the case with the solid state control. It was with the capacitor based control. I hear a bit of a buzz with the light on, but I hear nothing. The light off, okay. Let's go up one speed. More buzz. Let's see how it does with the... If the buzz goes away, the buzz is from the light. Okay, light back on. Fan drops again. Buzz. Fan, much air. That's high. Okay. Let's turn the light off, let it spin down. Then we're going to go through all 4 speeds with the, I can't remember if the light's on or off, but whatever setting it is now, that's the one we'll do, and then we'll do it again on the other one, rather than going back and forth as we were the first time around. Okay. Low. It's a gentle breeze from it. Pretty silent. Medium low. A little bit of air movement noise. Medium high. High. What essentially we'll call it nightlight mode. Let me see if you can see the little faint glow better if I turn this light off here. Yeah. So it's cool looking, but it serves no practical purpose at that speed. That's a cool shot there. Medium low with the light on. Medium high with the light on. And of course the same on both speeds, is high with the light on. Now I want to go back to medium high with the light on. I'm going to let it go drop back to speed. Okay, so you don't really hear a buzz at medium high with the light on. You don't really hear a buzz, that one, but you hear the buzz on the lower 2 speeds. So, okay, high, and off. I think this control will be the final control for this. It gives a good range of speeds. The buzz is not great, but you know, it's much better than the solid state speed control's buzz. Really the only way I could do better is to do what you're supposed to do and run a separate wire for the fan and the light, and I really don't have any intention on doing that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If when I put the switch together, I might just do the video again, just put the switch together just for the sake of it. It's the same thing, but it'll look different, and in my eyes that will be important. So, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I said I was going to do another video when I put the cover plate on the control here. Sadly, there would be no way to use a knob with this control that didn't have a set screw, so I couldn't put a more normal knob on there. Somewhere in one of my shops I have a bin of knobs, and there's probably something that looks more normal and uses a set screw. But this will be what it is for now. Might be easier just to change the plate. I guess if I put a black plate on there, it might look more normal. Or I guess, you know what I could do? I could do like a nickel or steel one or something. That's what I'm going to do. I'll do something like that. That'll match the fan body. Or maybe I won't even bother. I don't know. But anyhow, yeah. So that's the the way that is. And unfortunately, I would like to have off be up, but there's only one little indentation for the set screw. So this is the way it is. And here's the fan, which you've seen presumably in many previous videos. I'm going to do another video in part because I've been asked to try it in reverse. So I think I did reverse in one of the first videos, but not any of the ones since it's been installed here that I recall. So there's a reverse switch up here somewhere. Let's find it. There it is. I can't remember if the light is on or not with the string. So let's see. Doesn't look like it. Last time I tried it in reverse, it didn't seem very effective, probably because the blades are contoured in the forward direction. Don't really feel anything from it anywhere. Let's go up. Feel a little bit of air below it, which is interesting because it's in reverse. Still nothing. I guess I'll bring the step stool back out so I can go up here and see what we get. I feel that air is moving, but I can't really tell where it's coming from. Feel a little bit of air above it, but not nearly as much. And then there's a little bit below. Right? I just got, put your hand in a certain place, you get. I just don't know how effective that is. Do the same thing with the lights on. Low reverse. You can see the lights a little bit. Medium reverse. Medium low, excuse me. Medium high. And high. Put it back to forward. If I recall correctly, the reverse switch was on this side. Low forward. Medium low. Medium high. High. low, medium low, which is where it's been since I put this control in. It's just been on medium low. Medium high, high, right. The more I like it, the more I like the idea of just putting a silver faceplate here. Probably not one of the like commercial fan ones that actually has writing on it, but just a basic plain silver one. And that'll go with the knob, and then there'll be one more thing that's this kind of metal finish in the area. So that would be really obsessive of me to just do another video just because I changed the faceplate, but we'll see how I feel. I might do it. You never know with me. Thanks for watching.